So what you can see here is we have 4 different types of commissionable payment. The first one is for the sales teams. We'll take a look at that in a minute or two. The second one is for partners. The third one is for business level commission, and the fourth and last is for channel managers. If we take a look at the sales commissions, that's organised by teams. So in the international team we have Paul Archer as a sales manager, who is in fact the entity who is operating on this particular system at the moment. Then Jane Smith, who is an international salesperson. In the main team, which I guess is your domestic direct sales team, we have a sales manager and 3 salespeople. If I want to add a member to the sales team, I click on the add member button. I select the person I want to be involved. I give her a title, and let's say we're going to call her lead sales. We'll give her a commission and add her to the record. So she is now a member of this sales team. Okay, let's move on. Just a word about business level commission. What business level commission is it applies to every sale that goes to the enterprise. So in this case what we're allocating is 1% of every piece of business that goes through this enterprise to the good people who keep our sales functioning. So they're incentivized and bonus dependent on the overall performance of the business. So let's take a look and see how this works in practice. If I pick up on a deal here, I'm just going to take any old deal, I think. I really want one. That's it, to be determined. Means that nobody's been assigned to it. Okay, we have a services connection there in our assignments. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at how we might assign somebody in a sales team to deal with that. So we pick up the sales individual, and we'll take Amy, and we're going to have her as a member of the main team. So let's go with that. We'll set her as the owner for the deal. So there she goes. She looks quite nice there, and that tells her that she belongs to the main team. That gives an indication of what her commissioning will be. What we can also do is we can assign some other people. So let's suppose that in our processes one of the other salespeople is actually involved in the sale in some way. Maybe Jane's our international salesperson. Maybe she gave the lead through, so we're going to give her a specific individual 1% commission on this particular piece of business to represent the fact that she helped. And there you can see Jane Smith in sales. She's getting 1% of this piece of business. Now down here we've got Red House Services of getting some commission for helping in the marketing. Now that might be fine, but now we've actually moved on and we're beyond the marketing phase, and what we want to do is reward Red House Services for some of the services they offer. So if I set this one up now, this means that they will pick up on their commissionable element. Okay, so now if we can see the assignments, we can see that they've been there as a services component. They're there as an additional salesperson, again with the owner of the particular piece of business. This is a qualified lead, so I could go straight through now and do a quotation. And so here what you can see is that we have a whole range of people who have been linked in with this business and giving a range of support and commissions. The only thing that's wrong there is I'm getting a partner manager showing, which is something I shouldn't be having. Interesting. Wonder where that comes from. Jane Smith in sales, Amy Jessup in sales. She has nothing to do with this.